Let's make the perfect avocado toast from scratch.
Mash ripe avocados with fresh seasonings.
Toast the bread until golden and crispy. Spread the avocado evenly over the toast.
Add fresh toppings for extra flavor and crunch.
Top it with a perfectly cooked egg. Finish with herbs and a drizzle of olive oil.
Enjoy the perfect avocado toast for breakfast.